Hello everyone, today I will teach about sexual perversions. So what is sexual perversion? Sexual perversion is the sexual deviation. Okay, it is the sexual deviation. Sorry for the camera. Sexual deviations in which it is the person is persistently indulged in sexual act or fantasies which complete satisfaction is sought and obtained without sexual intercourse. So without the sexual intercourse, the person is indulged in sexual fantasies. The person is in sexual deviation mode. Okay. So first is uranism. So what is uranism? It is actually the sexual gratification that is obtained by fondling, fingering, licking, sucking of the genitalia of opposite sex. That is called uranism. Next is paraphilias. What is paraphilias? It is abnormal sex play by using objects, different kinds of objects or parts of the body. This is called paraphilia. What is sadism? Sadism is also known as algolagnia, also known as active algolagnia, in which sexual gratification is obtained by form of physical cruelty or infliction of pain. So physical cruelty or infliction of pain. So the person is giving pain to the partner, and by that the person is getting pleasure. That is called sadism. Okay. Next is lust murder. What is lust murder? In extreme case of sadism, it can be found murder serves as a stimulus. So murdering a person will serve as a stimulus for sexual act and becomes equivalent to coitus. That is called lust murder. Okay. Next is necrophilia. Necro means necrophilia. So it is the desire to sexual intercourse with the dead body. Necro means dead body. And philia means love. So it is the desire to have sexual intercourse with the dead body. Next is necrophagia. It is the extreme degree of sadism. It can be found. Necro means what? Dead body. And phagia means eating. So it is in which the person, after mutilating the body, sucks or licks the wounds, bites the skin and drinks the blood and eats flesh of the victim. Okay, so the person, after mutilating the body, sucks, licks the wounds. Next is masochism. What is masochism? In masochism, sexual gratification is obtained by increasing the suffering or of pain. So it is a kind of sadism in which it can be found in males generally. It can be found in females also, but generally in males. First, it was found in a Austrian novelist. He was a novelist. His name was Masoch. From that name, masochism came. When his wife used to whip him, then he get stimulant, and from that stimulant he used to do literary work. That means he get pleasure from the whipping of his wife. That is called masochism. He is getting pleasure from a suffering. Okay. So you can be found that masochists get pleasure from being beaten or abused or tortured or humiliated. Thank you.